Summer is here. It's time to protect your home, and Todd and Teresa of Havasu Mobile Screen and Shade can help. Todd custom designed their mobile workshop so the team can come to your home with all the materials they need. They measure, repair, replace, or install new screen windows or sliding doors on site the same day with quality metal frames, new splines, and mitered corners. There's a variety of colors and options for screens. Traditional bug screens, a stronger pet screen, and the most popular solar UV protection screens. If you're dreading another summer with high energy bills or your sun-facing rooms just aren't cooling down enough, their 90% UV blocking shades would be a perfect addition to your home. Most jobs are completed within an hour or two, no hidden charges or service fees, and no job is too small or too large. Havasu Mobile Screen and Shade is a local family-owned business that's fast, efficient, and honest.